डॉक्टर नरेंद्र जाधव।
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise to wholeheartedly support the banning of unregulated deposit scheme bill 2019, and I heartily congratulate the Honorable Finance Minister for bringing in such a comprehensive bill. Sir, after the Jan Dhan Yojana, which happens to be a landmark scheme for financial inclusion, there comes in this bill as a much needed amendment, a much needed bill. Sir, having promoted savings mobilization through the Jan Dhan Yojana, the much needed next step is to provide a regulatory framework, appropriate regulatory framework for regulation of deposits, and that is precisely what this bill intends to do. Sir, this bill is the need of the hour. Sir, over years, one Ponzi scheme after another, lakhs of poor, gullible investors and depositors have been deprived of their hard-earned savings. At times, they have been deprived of their lifetime's earnings on account of unregulated deposit schemes. Sir, currently there are 9 regulators, including RBI, SEBI, and so on, but the unregulated depositors, deposit-taking schemes, they slip through this, and therefore unscrupulous elements can take advantage of this loophole, and therefore there is an imperative need, sir, for such an act. There are several provisions in this act which are extremely commendable. First of all, it bans unregulated deposit schemes, and the punishment prescribes it between a term of between 1 to 5 years and a fine between 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs. The second very desirable punishment.
कृपया शांति रखें, कृपया शांति रखें, माननीय सदस्य बोल रहे हैं।
Yeah, the second commendable provision, sir, is fraudulent default in the repayment or return of deposit has been made an offence punishable with imprisonment for a term up to 7 years, ranging, and the fine ranging between 5 lakhs to 25 crore, or 3 times the amount of profits made out of the fraudulent default. Third commendable provision here is wrongful inducing another person to invest in or become a member of or participant in any unregulated deposit scheme. Imprisonment, and for that the imprisonment is ranging between 1 year to 5 years, and a fines ranging between 10 up to 10 lakh rupees. It is very interesting and commendable, sir, that this bill provides for creation, maintenance and operation of a central data line, online database.
Please conclude now.
Yes, sir. I'll just take 30 seconds. For information on deposit takers operating in India, this will ensure that this is a centralized and more streamlined system for investors to quickly access information about deposit takers. Only one thing which is not clear in this bill is that the constitution of the competent authority under Section 7, there is a provision which does not include
Please conclude.
any judicial member. It's not clear why no judicial member is included in the constitution of the competent authority. The Honorable Finance Minister might like to clarify. With this, I commend the bill for passage.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. माननीय सदस्यगण कृपया शांति रखें।